Hi guys, welcome back to Star Marketer. As part of this video, we'll talk about Zilliqa token, which is also called as ZIL coin. Is it worth for investment? How can we purchase this one? Also, whether ZIL will become the competitive coin to Ethereum blockchain or not. Let's discuss everything in detail, guys. Looking into their history, it was originated in Singapore with the help of Pratik Saxena, who is an assistant professor in Singapore National University. He and also his several other students published this paper on 2016, which is nearly 5 years back from now. Their official development work started on June 2017. In the following years, 2018, they have launched their test network, and consecutively by the next year, 2019, they have launched their main network. Their ICO price is exactly 1 ZIL is in the value of $0.03, but right now the Zilliqa token has already trading 70 times more than its ICO price. It has potential to grow in future as well, guys. ICO means initial coin offering. This means if any company looking to raise money to create a new coin or application or service launches, then ICO is the only way to raise the funds. The current value fluctuates around $0.07. Zilliqa transactions are exactly similar like Ethereum and similarly executes the smart contracts. Here we need to observe few things about Zilliqa versus Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. Zilliqa has better transaction speed than Ethereum. Zilliqa has lower gas fees than Ethereum. For example, for a transaction, if you are paying $30 in Ethereum, then you can pay the same transaction with $2 in Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa is more secure than Ethereum since it is using shared focus blockchain mechanism and has two-layer blockchain structure. And also, Zilliqa proved it consumes lower energy than other blockchain networks. Zilliqa on Binance Smart Chain becomes legacy blockchain model, and it can handle only 10 to 20 transactions per second. But Zilliqa achieved 2828 transactions per second in their test network. It is a very big news, guys. Do not underestimate this coins is since the coin value is less than $1. Zilliqa could be the future of blockchain technology. Also, guys, Zilliqa does not have, unlike other coins, unlimited supply. It has only maximum supply of 21 billion only. And they have mined already 11 billion out of 21 billion, and remaining 10 billion yet to be mined. And they were using ERC20 token. And the current value of Zilliqa price is $0.07, which is very much undervalued coin right now, guys. But their business strategy and their goal is very much competitive to other blockchain networks, leading blockchain networks called Ethereum and BSC. And their current market rank is 70, and their total market cap is 853 million, and fully diluted market cap of 1 billion plus. Since Ethereum and BSC got launched so many years back and it became legacy blockchain models, but even though their price has surged like anything, we are not in a stage to afford like 100 to 200 coins right now. But in case if you are spending few dollars right now, you can afford so many coins from the Zilliqa. Right now, the market is very much down to the earth. I believe this is the right time to invest. Since it has the exact methodology similar like Ethereum, it has the huge potential to grow in future, guys. We don't need to underestimate Zilliqa right now. We even you can Google that and confirm. And also they have launched their white list paper. The same I will be providing below in the description. You can access that, and then you can come to their roadmap and whatever their blockchain models and how they are achieving, and what is the maximum transaction paid, and what are all their achievements, like when the Zwill swap they have planned to launch their own swap and their own exchange, and so many things, guys. They are, everything will be provided in that. You can go through that. Speaking about their supporting exchange list, here are the list: Binance, Huobi. These are the leading exchange where you can purchase this ZIL token. Similar like exchange, instead of doing trading, if you have planned to purchase the coins and you want to hold for a longer period, then they do have support in these wallets. Like I hold in Trust Wallet, like that they have Ledger, Moonlight, Atomic Wallet, ZIL Pay. These are the stuffs right now. These are the wallets right now supporting ZIL token, guys. And also if you are holding for for future purpose, then you can receive some reward as an interest rate. So they do have a reward plan. Let us look into that as well. Zilliqa has their own staking portal called Zillion, whereas here we can stake the coins whichever we want to hold for future investment. They do have simple three-phase what is staking, and why you take ZIL, why you need to stake your ZIL token, and their economy of Zilliqa, everything they have provided. You can check their website. The same I will be providing below in the description. Guys, in case if you have planned to purchase with the help of Binance Exchange, you need to open Binance, then come to market, you need to type for ZIL and then select USDT. Here you can find their coin. Like right now the market price is $0.07. Here you can buy with the help of Binance Exchange, guys. Also these are the analysis which I have done for ZIL token. If you feel this analysis helps, please do support me by subscribing my channel and shoot me the questions below in comments whatever you have in crypto space, guys. I'll look into that and I'll make a separate video for that. Thank you, guys. Do subscribe, guys. Thanks. See you soon. Bye bye.